Here we go.
Come on. Yeah, all right.
Yay!
All right, one more time. No. Come here. All right, come on. Come on.
Whoops.
Almost. Get your feet under you. Oh, that was the pushing it. Go on. Come here.
So I think we're forcing the issue, huh,
All
Dad?
right, come on.
Oh! I think somebody's getting sleepy, huh?
All right, come on. Come on.
So close!
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
All right, one last one. Let's go. Make it a good one. All right, ready? Come here.
Yay! That was awesome! Good job! Jack is 8 months and...
And walking.
How many days?
I don't know.
Let's see, today's the 19th. So he's 8 months and a week old. And he's already walking! Oh my gosh!
So good! So good!
Good job!